the hidden reason you feel constantly tired and stressed, and how to fix it naturally. Do you ever wake up feeling exhausted and tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you find yourself constantly stressed, anxious, or struggling to focus? No matter how healthy you try to live, something still feels off. You're not alone. Millions of people are silently battling a hidden deficiency that affects their energy, mood, and overall well-being. And the worst part? Most don't even realize it. Let's talk about stress and fatigue, two things that seem to be taking over modern life. Maybe you drink coffee to get through the morning, push yourself through work with sheer willpower, and collapse at the end of the day. Maybe you feel irritable for no reason, struggle with headaches, or even experience muscle cramps out of nowhere. If this sounds familiar, it's not just life being hard or aging. There's a deeper reason your body is struggling. Research shows that up to 80% of people are deficient in magnesium, one of the most crucial minerals for your body. It's responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions in your system, including energy production, stress regulation, muscle function, and deep sleep. Yet, due to modern farming practices, processed foods, and daily stress, most of us are unknowingly running on empty when it comes to magnesium levels. This can lead to constant fatigue and brain fog, poor sleep and insomnia, increased anxiety and irritability, muscle cramps and joint pain, high blood pressure and heart palpitations. Sounds scary, right? But here's the good news, this is fixable, and it's easier than you think. Your body is incredibly resilient, and with the right support, it can rebalance itself. The key is restoring your magnesium levels naturally. Here's how. 1. Eat more magnesium-rich foods. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds. Dark chocolate. Avocados and bananas. Whole grains like quinoa. 2. Reduce stress and improve sleep. Meditation and deep breathing can help lower cortisol, the stress hormone. Avoid screens before bed, and create a relaxing nighttime routine. 3. Supplement smartly. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Many cheap versions don't absorb well, leaving your body still deprived. The key is getting a full-spectrum magnesium supplement that includes different types for maximum absorption. Most people noticed a huge difference when they started using a high-quality magnesium supplement that includes all 7 essential forms of magnesium. Instead of just feeling better, they felt like a different person, more energy, clearer thinking, deeper sleep. If you've been struggling with constant fatigue or stress, addressing your magnesium levels might be the breakthrough you've been searching for. When you optimize your magnesium levels, you're not just fixing one problem, you're creating a foundation for lifelong health. Imagine waking up every day with natural energy, being able to focus without feeling mentally drained, and actually enjoying deep, restful sleep. Your workouts become more effective because your muscles recover faster. Your mood stabilizes, and stress feels more manageable. Your overall health improves, from digestion to heart function. This isn't about a quick fix, it's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. At the end of the day, taking care of yourself is about making small, consistent changes. Start by adding magnesium-rich foods to your diet. Prioritize relaxation. And if you want an extra boost, look into a well-rounded magnesium supplement to support your journey. If you're interested in the same high-quality magnesium supplement that made a difference for thousands of people, I've left a link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Your body is capable of amazing things, you just need to give it the right tools. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. If this video helped, consider sharing it with someone who needs it. Also subscribe for more new videos.